Hello guys, my name is Vedant and welcome to Crazy Creativity with Vedant. So, in today's video, we are going to learn how to make a desk organizer. So, to make this desk organizer, you will be requiring these materials. So guys, first to make our desk organizer, I have taken a square sheet. Now we'll first fold this square sheet into half and we'll open it and take this part and parallel to this middle line, fold this, flap like this, and the same on this side as well. Now after doing this, we'll turn our sheet like this and do the same. So guys, as you can see, now doing the same technique on both the sides. Now we have square on these papers. Now we'll take this corner and parallel to this corner, which is of our square, we'll just fold it. Now I've done this with one part. Now we will do it with each of our four corners. So guys, now I've folded all the corners in. Now we'll take this part and we'll just fold it inwards like this. Now as you can see, this crease, we'll flip our page and parallel to that crease, we'll fold it from here, and the same crease we'll fold it from there. Now as you can see, we have a diamond shape over here. Now I'll take this flap, and as you can see this cavity in over here, we'll just put this inside over here like this, and this one we'll put it in the cavity which is down. Now we'll slide both of them in, and now this is one of our pockets for our desk organizer. Similarly, we have to make five more pockets, out of which our desk organizer will finally be made. So guys, now rest of our 5 of the tubes are ready. Now we are going to stick these together. So for sticking these, first we'll arrange them. And remember, this part with the diamond shape outside should come outside our box, so that small items like U-pins, I-pins and rubber bands can be kept inside over here. So guys, now let's stick it. So guys, finally I have sticked these pieces in together, and I have also applied rubber band over it so that it sticks in place. Now if we put any of the materials in, the material would come out from the bottom, because there is nothing to keep it on the bottom. So for that I have made this shape. Now this shape will do something, that we will just stick this inside like this, and whenever we put any of the material, it will not come out, and it will be in place. So I'll stick this and come back to you. So guys, now I have stick this sheet at the bottom, and now when we put anything over here, it will not come out and it will stay in place. So that is it for today's video. If you like this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, make sure to share it with all your friends, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon. And in this diamond shaped pocket, you can keep anything like rubber bands, erasers, or even eye pins. So like this video, share it with all your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon. Thank you.